Hello and welcome to this new lesson in which I'm going to explain how you can easily create a new project in Camtasia from template. Now we usually provide the template, so you'll find a link to download it in the description or in the onboarding course. After downloading the template, you just need to double click on it. This is the template file, and once you double click on the template file, it will be loaded inside Camtasia. Now you can go to File after loading the template and click New Project from Template. You will see the template that you just downloaded. It's called Educational Lecture. Double click on it and it will start loading. Now this is our template. As you can see, here we have a music track, here we have an intro and outro, and here we have the placeholder in which you will drag your media here. Now once you start recording, and since you already record, it won't do anything. Once you start recording, you will have a video for the recording here. And after you are done with the recording, you can simply drag the video and drop it inside the placeholder. It will ask you, do you want to ripple replace or replace with clip speed? Choose the first one, ripple replace. As you can see, this is the video that we just recorded. And since the video is very short, the music track is very long, so we need to reduce this to the edge here. Now we have a video ready with an intro, an outro, and the music without having to go through the hassle of doing everything on our own. Now another thing that we need to mention, if the video was very long, the music will not be covering, so it might be the video is stopping here and the music is short, so you need to duplicate the music by simply copying this music and placing here and pasting the music, and then you have to cut it. So sometimes you need to duplicate the music to make sure that it covers the whole video. Once done, you can save your project inside the Camtasia folder and export it later. Thanks for watching this lesson. This is Ashraf from Educational Engineering Team.